It's YouTube boopers. That was really stupid.
I was going to keep rolling with it, but you stopped, so we'll stop.
I am leighannonkey.
And I am Alyssa Calhoun, and welcome back, guys. How was your week? I hope it was fantastic.
I was going to say, I hope you know they can't actually respond right now to you.
I realize that. I'm engaging our audience. Engaging our audience.
Yes, Alyssa's getting married.
I can hear the bells.
And I told her it's all downhill because I've been married going on 3 years now. No, I'm just kidding. I love my husband. Anywho, so
speaking of husbands and men,
tighty whities.
When is it appropriate for a man to wear tighty whities? Never. The quick answer.
We had a comment from Sarah Love 94.
Thanks for the support, by the way.
Yes, and the input. Whoever, Sarah Love 94, your boyfriend needs to watch this. Husband, I'm not sure what he is. I think you said boyfriend. No more tighty whities. Boxers or go commando, sir.
They're not. I can't see anything.
My eyes aren't that bad. I tried her glasses on earlier today, and I felt like I was drunk. That's how bad her eyes are. But, yeah.
It's never okay to wear tighty whities.
No.
They're tight, which is this fine. Like, you can see the butt.
Sometimes they're saggy.
But
if they're a little too big.
They're not sexy. I can't look at a guy in tighty whities and be like,
that's hot!
I'd tap that. No, no tighty whities ever. Boxers, boxer briefs, fuck, go commando for all I care. Just don't bring out the tighty whities.
And wash your balls.
Yeah, wash those balls. Speaking of balls, like, no, I can't put my fiance on blast like that. So we're just going to forget what I was going to say.
All men have stanky ass balls.
Yeah, but does yours ever sniff?
What, sniff his balls?
The whole scratch and sniff?
Oh, he does it all the time.
Oh my God.
He'll be sitting there with a crowd of people in our, well, not a like huge crowd, but we'll have our friends over to play games and stuff on Friday nights. And I'll be like, oh God, your balls stink. And he'll be like, come on. I guess it's something that all men do. So,
but my favorite is when he tries to be really nonchalant, like nobody can see him. Like, he doesn't do it in public, but like when we're at home, he's just like, and I'm like, I watched you. I just watched you. Stop doing that. That's disgusting. I once asked him, TMI, if you're a little kid, don't watch this. What if I scratched my puss and sniff? Like, that's disgusting. It's great. Moral of the story.
What an interesting start to YouTube boopers today, guys. Holy shit.
In conclusion, no tighty whities unless you're over the age of 65. You can wear tighty whities. And don't scratch your balls.
My 4-year-old doesn't even.
Them.
My 4-year-old doesn't even wear tighty whities, so you might want to think about that, boyfriend. Just saying, he's got some minion boxers. Maybe you should invest in some of those. Not hating on you, just hating on your non-boxer wearing abilities.
But my question is, what makes you go into like anywhere that you buy underwear and you're like, cool looking boxer briefs, and then you're just like, I'm gonna get these tighty whities.
At least if you have to get tighty whities, at least get like the cool ones with like the Avengers or something on it, you know? No, don't even do that. Anyway, we had a special request to have a belching contest. Yeah! So, that's what
you guys can determine who the winner is.
Cheers, bitch.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Who's going first?
Oh, it came out before. That doesn't count. That wasn't my burp. It was like, have you ever tried inhaling to burp, but a burp kind of comes out before you get the chance to inhale? That's what happened. All right.
This is flat, so this is not doing anything for me.
Get a beer. One beer.
I can't drink beer. Beer's disgusting.
One beer.
Next topic will be beer and booze.
Craft beers all the way. I just drink this because I can't afford to live fancy and drink craft beers every night.
No beer. Just hard liquor.
Ew.
Just tequila.
Ew.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Sorry.
Better fill your cup. Got a couple something in.
All right, back to our competition. We get sidetracked
Woo!
very easily. We get sidetracked so easily.
Very easily. We're like goldfish.
Squirrel.
All right. Well. I apologize for any mouth noises you might be hearing. Oh, that was a good one.
You might win.
Ew, that smelled like garlic.
Oh, we had Bocelli's pizza earlier.
Gotta love that Bocelli's. Not a sponsor, by the way.
I'm telling you right now, I can belch, but I'm gonna lose because I don't have anything to help carbonate my throat. So
Get a beer. One beer. I dare you. Just do it.
I
Guys,
can't
comment in the
drink
box
beer.
below. Do you think Alyssa should drink a beer with me?
I can't drink beer.
She can.
I'll waste it.
No, it will never go to waste because what you don't drink, I will.
Just be like, sip, sip.
When in doubt, pinky out. I have to fart.
I was thinking that too when we were starting this belch competition. I was like, you know what competition I'm gonna win? I'm gonna fart right now.
I'm gonna try so hard to burp that it's gonna come out the rear end instead, and I'm gonna be really, really sad, and she's probably gonna die.
That's why I don't fart around people. Everyone's like, just let it go. If I let it go, you're all gonna die.
As a matter of fact, last week when she was at my house, we went outside to have a cigarette, and she's standing there and she's waddling back and forth, and I was like, what are you doing? And she's like, I can't wait to get in my car so I can fart really hard.
And update, I did. I farted really hard. It was glorious. So basically, I lost the belching competition. I'm not happy about it because I'm a really good belcher, just as my fiance, but I'm not proud of it.
Yeah. Whoops.
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Let go. Bottoms up, hey, let's see your cup. Got a couple bottles, but a couple ain't enough. Bottoms up.
We can't play the whole song or we'll get copyright problems.
No copyright infringement.
Nope. None.
Whatever
But-
happened to Trey Songz? Is he still out there?
I don't know. He was like a one-hit wonder.
Was he? I feel like he had more songs than that.
One of our feet stink. I can smell it. Is it
I
me?
wasn't wearing tennis shoes today.
It's not me. I can't believe you risked that. I could have been lying.
Are you sure it's not the garlic? I
No.
smell heavy garlic coming from this area.
Because garlic smells good. This smells
Ew,
like
garlic smells disgusting.
cheesy toe jam. Anyway. Sorry I look like garbage. I was a soccer mom today, and I had to drive all over the place. See it happen again. What the fuck? Back! We should really put like a viewer discretion advised on these videos so that we don't have some little kids like, Mom, what does fuck mean?
My next topic I want to talk about, I don't think I can talk about it because if we post this on Facebook, then they might see it.
What are you talking about?
The in-laws.
Ooh, the in-laws. I got a lot to say about my in-laws. No, I'm just kidding. I love them most of the time.
Me too.
This is a really touchy subject. Should we really be getting into this?
No.
Okay, so we'll just...
But we'll just end it with, I do love my in-laws. Or my almost in-laws. They do a lot for me and my fiance. So we'll just end it there. Love your in-laws. That was a really good one. I'm so sad that I'm lacking right now.
But no, these are bad. Listen, I grew up with a younger brother who taught me how to belch like a man. And sometimes I can belch so hard that the toilet water ripples. Just saying. I have to fart really bad. I don't know if I should do it on camera or not. No, we don't. We have to sing into that. By the way, check out our other YouTube channels. Mine is leighannonkey. I will leave my name in the description below. And we will leave... What is your YouTube channel name?
I have no idea.
Well, we'll
I
leave
think
hers...
it's Alyssa Calhoun or Allie Calhoun.
We will... I think it's Alyssa Calhoun. But we will leave both of them in the description below. You should totally check out. We also upload those every Monday night. Sometimes more a week. But shares and comments and likes and subscribes are always appreciated.
Always just appreciated. Please, sir, can I have
And
some
actually,
more subscribers?
you should watch and let us know if we should audition for the upcoming season of The Voice, because
She should, I shouldn't.
you should.
I
Listen,
auditioned for American Idol, and he
So
was
did I.
like, you have a lot of improvements. I'm 24. There's no getting better for me, so.
and see, for me, I auditioned, and, well, obviously it didn't go anywhere, which sucks, but...
Yeah, he said, your voice is not where we need it at in this competition, but keep improving your voice and come back next year and try out. But I'm 24. I'm going to be 25 in July. And I think at this point my voice is just done progressing. So I guess I'll just settle for mediocrity.
You can always improve your voice. I, unlike her, had a really mean judge, okay? And I was the fourth person to audition out of, what, like 1,000 people that day?
Something like that.
I won a front of the line pass from auditioning over the phone to a radio station to not have to stand in line all day. And I don't know if that was to my advantage or not, but I, like 15 seconds into my audition, she was like, well, we have the bar set really high this year, so you're not gonna cut it.
Which is crazy because if you watch it, some of the people that they let through to actually be on TV
Suck!
They suck. But here's my thing. I read a lot of blogs and stuff. It's not a singing competition. It is a reality show competition.
It's a reality show popularity contest, which is odd because there's a lot of people this season that are so fucking strange. Which I get, if you want to be different, that's super cool and awesome and everything. But if you're going to be strange, sorry, my boobs are itchy. If you're going to be strange, at least have like a super good voice, not just an okay, and I'm not dissing because, I am
We're
dissing,
not
but
bitter.
yeah,
Like, I'm not bitter. Like, it's like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
I wasn't even going to do it to begin with.
I'm going to keep trying.
I don't think I am.
Maybe not American Idol. I'm thinking like The Voice or The X Factor, but that's what we want you guys to let us know. So check out our YouTube channels, please. And if you like what you hear, let us know in the comments below on this video or even on our YouTube channels. And, we'll even give you a subscribe back for showing all the love and support.
But you know what? Sometimes you don't even need a television show. There are a lot of people on YouTube now that sing that a lot of people know and really like, and they're going on tour and they haven't gone through that whole
like Andy
auditioning
Case
and stuff.
I fucking love Andy Case. Shout out, let's collab sometime, girl. Hey,
You know who I want to collab with?
Brandon Urie.
Oh yes, Brendan. My boy.
Come to my house. We can record a trio.
And if that sounded really creepy, if you don't want to come to our house, maybe we can meet up at a hotel. Is that creepy?
No, that's even creepier. No.
No, but I would love to collaborate with Miranda Sings. I love her. I think she's
Miranda
so
Sings.
quirky and she's so cute. And
She is perfect in every way. I want Miranda Sings to give me a lesson.
A lesson.
A singing lesson. Please teach me how to sing.
Or just meet me for nachos one day and hang out and enjoy some friendship.
All right, guys. I think that is enough embarrassment for the day. We should probably get one more good belch in. She's on it already.
I'm waiting for it.
Damn it. I can't burp like I used to. Thank God.
It smells like cheese and pepperoni.
Oh God. Oh God. I need a burp. It's stuck. Burp me.
Burp the baby.
Oh God, it's coming. I need more beer. Oh, she's getting me a beer. She's setting me up. I'm either gonna burp really hard or I'm gonna throw up.
Wait,
That's what's gonna happen.
do you have sweet potatoes in your refrigerator?
No.
Oh.
Something's just going spoiled. No, nothing's going spoiled. But what the hell is that? There is some shit in the rim of my beer. Damn it.
I just hate the smell of beer.
The smell is terrible. The taste isn't all that bad. I mean, especially if it's a good beer like craft beers. Hey, I'm also on Untapped, the app. Also not a sponsor. But we aren't popular enough yet for that.
If Disney wants to sponsor me one day, I will totally cut back on all my curse words and be a Disney star.
I couldn't cut off my cuss words.
I could for Disney all day, every day. Hakuna Matata. That's pretty good.
Oh, God. Garlic. All right. Well, let us know some ideas.
Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that this belching contest was it wasn't.
It veered off in so many directions, but
It did, and it.
if you continue to watch us, that's just what you can expect from us from now on, because, well, at least
We're
for
walking
now.
the straight and narrow, and we get sidetracked a lot of the time. Squirrel.
Okay. Well,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I promise that if you don't like us now,
we will get better.
but we
can-
always get better from here.
We can only get better if you leave comments on what the fuck you think we should do.
Disney just unsponsored us. Not that we were ever. Really
We were
sponsored
never
by Disney.
sponsored by Disney.
I, in my head, am sponsored by Disney. I'm a Disney princess.
Which one, Moana?
I'm all the Disney princesses just wrapped into one.
You've got the
ball.
beautiful skin tone of Moana, though. You should totally be Moana. I am Moana.
Speaking of Moana, I did a cover of Moana on my YouTube channel.
She did. I did not. I'm too hooked on Demi Lovato and Panic at the Disco and Adele and Kelly Clarkson and Christina Aguilera.
That because she fucking kills it every time.
Oh, you're so sweet.
But this is our 12th goodbye. But so
Yeah.
thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our original channels. We put out new videos every
Monday?
Tuesday,
Every Monday
and
night.
sometimes there's a surprise video. But yes, thanks for joining our little. We have to call these little chats something. We're gonna think of a name, and if we can't think of one for these little chats we have here. Yes.
They're all coming out now.
Yes. So thanks for watching. Leave feedback, like, subscribe, share the video.
See, I can't even point properly at videos because my fingers are all fucked up.
Leave comments down below, and we might even answer them back. Okay. Bye.
That was terrible harmony.